It may seem like an impossible task to make $58,481 as a beginner dropshipping in 30 days, but I'm here to show you it's not. I started dropshipping a few years ago back when I was in high school working a 9-to-5 job at a fast food restaurant. I was feeling completely lost and confused within my first few months trying, even doubting myself and whether or not it was even still possible to make money with this business model. But with consistency and a lot of trial and error, I was able to crack the code. By the way, this store is still making me money to this day. I'm going through the entire process step by step, from how I found my winning product to how I built and designed my Shopify store to the exact advertising methods I used, and also revealing some secret strategies throughout the video that the biggest dropshippers are gatekeeping from you. So the first thing I did is to obviously find and research my winning product. I had a burner account that I only used to find products to sell. To do this, you just have to create a brand new TikTok account and start researching through keywords like hashtag TikTok made me buy it, Amazon finds, and product reviews, and interact with content like this so that the algorithm will start showing you more videos that showcase all the trending products that you can start selling. Always make sure that when you're searching on TikTok, you click on the 3 dots and filter to videos either posted this month or in the last 3 months. This way you will find products that are trending right now that are less saturated and have a higher chance of finding a good product. Many gurus tell you to go with products that have millions of views, but for this product in specific, I tried to go with a product that was a little less untapped so that the competition wasn't as high. Ideally, you want to find what is trending right now with a decent amount of views so that you're able to still take inspiration from your competitors, which you can use to help improve your website and your ads, as well as positive feedback and demand for your product, which you can check by looking at the comments and seeing comments such as, "Where can I buy this?" or "My friends/family would love something like this," instead of comments like, "I tried this product and it stopped working the next day," or "Who would ever need something like this?" So I can't say exactly what my product is because I'm still making sales every day with this product to this day. I obviously don't feel comfortable sharing just yet and creating more competition for myself. Maybe I will in a future video once I exit and sell the brand though. But what I can tell you guys is that it is in the women's clothing/shapewear niche. Now, something that you need to understand is that the niche of your product really does not matter. What you call the product variation is what really matters. This niche is one of my favorite niches though, because women shop online more than men, and it is pretty easy for me to sell a product that solves a problem or an insecurity since it has a high conversion rate rather than a random useless product that just looks cool. For this product specifically, the reason why I was able to have so much success with it is because it was already a product that was selling well, and all I did was make it so you're able to customize your boyfriend/girlfriend's name on the product, which separated my brand from all the other dropshippers and competitors selling the exact same basic version of this product. You probably had no clue this was even possible to do because it's not with most basic suppliers like AliExpress, but AutoDS, which is a supplier that I've personally been using for the past few years, does allow you to customize your products with your own logo and branding. This is what you call having a competitive advantage in the market, which is basically where your product stands out and people have more of a reason to buy from you than everyone else. Now, the burner method can be quite inconsistent sometimes, so if you want, you can also take advantage of their product research features as well, like their trending products and ad spy section that they have. Using their ad spy tool is my personal favorite because you're able to spy on their store and ads and even their sales or views that they get. Now, this is all pretty helpful, but their best feature in my opinion is their auto fulfillment option, which if you enable, they literally ship out all your orders for you every single day without you ever having to worry about shipping out orders yourself. These are the guys I work with as my supplier and also to help me with product research. And don't worry, they actually love my channel and helping beginners like you watching this video get started. So they were nice enough to allow me to give you guys an exclusive free trial, which I'll add in the link in the description down below for you guys to take advantage of. Now, I went with this product because it solves a problem and insecurity. It also has a wow factor, and it's something that I've never really seen before. Just to verify this product was currently trending and not dying out, I went on Google Trends, searched for this product, and saw the chart was slowly going up, meaning that the product was rising in demand. After verifying this, I went on AutoDS to find the product and saw that my supplier was selling it for as little as $3 to $5. The competitors were selling it for around $20 to $30, so I knew I could get great profit margins on it. Next step was ordering a sample from Amazon to make content with it. It might cost a little more, but the reason why you're doing this is because because Amazon can ship out your product in 1 to 3 days, which you want your product to arrive as soon as possible so that you're able to start making content and sales right away. Worst case, if your product ends up not doing well, you can just return it back to them and just get a full refund. In the meantime, while I waited for the product to arrive, I created my Shopify store. I believe it is usually like $29 a month, but I'll leave a link down below in the description where you can sign up for literally just $1. I'm trusted and partnered with Shopify, so they're letting me hook you guys up for just $1 a month. And since I'm giving you all the value and game on here for completely free, I would really appreciate if you use my link down below, and I'll make sure to keep putting out more valuable content just like this for you guys in return. Now, I'm not going to set one up in this video, but if you guys want me to do a video entirely dedicated on setting up your Shopify store, then just let me know down below in the comments and I got you. You can just use one of the free themes like Sense or Refresh and customize it from there. Make sure you use apps in the Shopify App Store for things like reviews, email and SMS marketing, etc. Once my product arrived, it was finally time to make the content. I always take one day to pre-record and prepare as many videos as I can, because the key here is consistency. You want to be posting at least 3 to 5 times a day. Now, what you need to do is film and edit your videos inside of TikTok. Then once you post it, you can download it without the watermark and re-upload it to Instagram Reels. So for every video that you film and edit, you have 2 chances of going viral from both your TikTok and your Instagram Reels. The best advice I can give you is to never reinvent the wheel. Research your competition and recreate videos that have already gone viral and worked for others. You might think this is obvious, but make sure your videos are good quality, use good lighting and angles, no shaky or blurry videos at all. You don't need to be doing all these crazy edits because you want your videos to be as natural and organic as possible. All you need to do is just cut up the clips and add text and music. It is really that simple. Now, here's the part that no one wants to hear. A lot of people come into dropshipping or any other business wanting to make quick money and achieve results right away. If this was the case, then everyone would be rich and successful. You cannot expect to just start dropshipping as a complete beginner and expect to make sales the next day. Don't get me wrong, it is definitely possible because I've seen it myself with some of the students that I've mentored. But for the most part, you need to be willing to stay consistent every day and learn from your mistakes. You have to be willing to test as much as possible, whether it's with your product or ads, until you fully master all the skills, which once you do, you will start to see a lot of sales and life-changing money. I promise you, all the hard work will be worth it in the end. For example, even after years of experience and all the success that I've had with tons of different products, with this product in specific, my first videos weren't performing well at all, barely getting a few hundred views to 2,000 views at most. What really helped me break through though is taking time out to study my niche. Instead of only recreating viral videos of my exact same product, I started looking for similar products in my niche and seeing how I could recreate their viral videos to make it work for my product. I copied their hooks, which is one of the most important aspects, as you need to capture the viewer's attention before they just scroll on to the next video, as well as their bodies and CTAs, which if you don't know is call to actions. Incorporating all these different factors into my own videos allowed me to have my first video go viral. From there, I knew exactly what worked and kept rinsing and repeating. I started waking up to all these Shopify notifications, and I'm telling you guys right now, the cha-ching sound is pretty addicting. There's no other business out there like dropshipping where you can literally make money in your sleep. Once you experience this feeling of making your first bit of online money and see that this is really possible, you will lock in 10 times harder and never be able to go back to living a normal life again. But what I did do is something a lot of people have no clue about and end up missing out on a ton of money and sales. After I had a few videos go viral and perform well organically from the algorithm, what I basically did was turn my best performing videos into ads. This is what you call spark ads, which are just your normal TikTok videos on your account that you're just boosting with ad spend. They cost a lot less and have much higher conversion rates than regular paid ads. This is because if you've ever seen a regular paid ad on TikTok and clicked on the profile, it redirects you to their website. Whereas if you click on the profile of a spark ad, it leads to your actual account and page. This allows viewers to see multiple other videos of your product before buying, and you gain more of their trust from social proof from your followers or views that you get on your page. I went on TikTok ads library and created the test campaign for my product with my best videos as my creatives. I started off with just a CBO campaign with 5 ad groups with a budget of $100 per day. Since my videos already performed well well organically, I knew I wasn't going to lose my money on ad spend and that I would instantly start seeing more sales. By 12 p.m. on the first day, the ads were already performing well with a 3 to 5 ROAS, which stands for return on ad spend, which if you don't know is pretty profitable. This is a really good sign for me to keep increasing the budget on my campaign throughout the day, which led me to getting my highest sales in a single day with this product. If your ads are running profitably with at least a 2 to 3x ROAS, then you can do small 20-30% bumps on your campaign budget every 1 to 2 hours, as well as duplicating your campaigns if needed. This is what you call surf scaling, which is a popular ad strategy mainly used for TikTok ads. Now, I know this might sound a little complicated for most of you guys watching who are probably beginners, but I will definitely be doing a video of my exact TikTok ad strategy in the future. So make sure you go subscribe and turn on the post notification so you see when I post it. Using this exact strategy, I ended my month making $58,481.02 to be exact in sales. My overall profit margins were around 42% that month, which is after my product and shipping costs, as well as a decent amount that I spent on ads, which means in total, I made around $24,562 in profit, which I would say isn't too bad considering I used to make $6.25 an hour back when I worked at Panera. Hopefully this video gave you an idea of what you need to do and what you can expect throughout your journey, and you learned from my strategy so that you can go out there and be able to do the same. I'm literally a high school dropout. I'm no smarter or better than any of you guys watching this video. Trust me, if I can do it, you definitely can as well. I hope this video was able to help you get started and that you appreciate the transparency and honesty throughout this video. If it did, make sure to go like and subscribe and follow me on my Instagram to be a part of my journey, where you can always feel free to DM me if you ever have any questions or need any help. For now, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.